Have you checked the cables?
We've checked the cables
Good.
already.
And you happy?
Yeah.
These BMW technicians are being assessed on how safely they handle and repair battery units from electric and hybrid cars. It's crucial they know what they're doing, for these are high voltage units, and if they don't take care, they could get the shock of their lives.
They are safe to work on, but if you don't know what you're doing and you're not trained properly, there are inherent risks there. And we want to make sure that our technicians are safe when they work on the vehicles. And of course, our customers have the knowledge that their cars are repaired safely and correctly to the BMW manufacturer standards.
We assign training to them based on an individual need. We sit with each of the retailers, with the managers, and we talk through each of the levels that each of the technicians are at. And then whilst they're on the courses, we agree the next course that they should attend.
More and more of us are shunning petrol and diesel vehicles for electric or hybrid ones, with new registrations of plug-in cars increasing from 3,500 in 2013 to around 48,000 by the end of last year. But the IMI estimates out of the 180,000 car mechanics working in the UK, fewer than 1,000 are qualified to fix them. So while the Institute works closely with leading car manufacturers like BMW to accredit training, it also provides syllabuses and courses for all levels of competency to make it easier for car mechanics in the independent sector to keep themselves safe.
There are different levels, from learning how to turn an electric car on and off safely, for example, to disconnect the battery, right up to the more high-level work that some of the guys are doing here. And one of the ways we're going to support those courses is with e-learning. So people can do some work at home, they can log in online anytime, anywhere, learn all the important aspects of the electric vehicle, particularly the safety aspects, and then they can maybe come and do 1 day's training or 2 days training and some assessment in one of the many IMI centres.
It's important to remember that electric and hybrid cars are safe to drive, but the IMI says that some models contain circuits running at more than 3 times the 230 volts found in the main supply, and therefore it's not scaremongering to say that mechanics who simply have a go at repairing them risk electrocution, resulting in serious injury or even death. And that's why the IMI's chief executive believes it's now time for the government to consider a licensing scheme for all electric car mechanics.
You don't have a whole population of people out there who've been working on electric cars all their life and who will say, well, why do I now need to be licensed? This is new technology, and there's an opportunity to do something now before it's too late or before it becomes more problematic. And that's what we're, imploring the government to do.
Back at the BMW Training Academy, they take pride in the extensive training on offer to their technicians. But as demand for electric and hybrid cars continues to increase, the IMI wants to see this standard of qualification become more commonplace throughout the industry.